right, we are in 4A, page 2. And it says determine if these relations are functions, then give their domain and range. So we're actually going to do the domain and range first because that's where we left off on. So you're going to put a D equals, and then you get to draw these fancy squiggle brackets. Just do your best. They don't have to be perfect. I'm not grading your squiggle brackets. You're going to look at your x's. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's nice because they're already in order. We like them in order. You should write them in order, just like they are. And then your range. Your range, we could color code this, I suppose. 2, 4, -4, and 2. So we're going to go least to greatest. So we're going to go -2. Oh, wait, nope, that's a -4. -4. We have 2 2's. You only need to write it once, and then a 4. So -4, 2, and 4. And then is this a function? So it is a function if write that down. If every x has only one y match. So do the x's repeat or not? So if you look at your domain, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are no repeats of those numbers. So yes, it is a function. Number 2, if you look at your domain, we've got our x's, 1, 2, 3, 2. So 1, 2, 3 is your domain. The 2 repeats, but you only have to write it once. And then for your range, 2, 4, -4, 3. So let's see your range. We've got -4, 2, 3, and 4. To answer your is this a function question, hopefully you realize the answer is no. It is definitely not. Wait a second. Yes, it is definitely not, because you have the order pair 2, 4 and 2, 3. So that's saying if you plug in 2, you get 4. But this one says if you plug in 2, you get 3. So since they both have a 2 here, not a function. Number 3. Number 3 is going to be a lot easier for your domain and your range. You're always going to do the left is the x, the right is the y's. So your x's, you've got 1 and 2. So D equals 1, 2 in curly brackets. And your range is 3, 4, and 5. So if you were to write these order pairs out over to the side, you do not have to, but you would have the order pairs 1, 3, 1, 4, and 2, 5. That's what number 3 is saying. This is called a mapping. So here, your 1's repeat, 1 maps to 3 and 1 maps to 4. So therefore, no, this is not a function. And number 4, let's see, your domain. We've got your x's, they're in order already going down. And your range, you've got to put that in order. So -1, 0, 8. Again, the 0 is listed twice, but you do not have to write it twice. And then just looking at your x's, -2, 8. So again, this is like the order pair, -2, 8, -1, 0, 0, -1, and 1, 0. So none of your x's repeat, so yes, this is a function. Woo. Okay, so that is if they give you order pairs, a mapping, a table, however they are. But sometimes they're going to give you a graph. If they give you a graph, we are going to discuss the vertical line test. Vertical line test, also commonly known in this class and every other math class at Ross High School as VLT. Any vertical line will cross a function only once. So on A, if I draw a vertical line, it only hit the actual function. The function is the actual, in this case, a little roller coaster hill. It only touched it once. And any other vertical line will touch the roller coaster hill one time. So yes, that is a function. On B, we've got this upside down V. If I do a vertical line, anywhere, it touches it one time. So yes. On C, it's really hard to see. It's kind of invisible actually. Your function is a vertical line. That's what your function is. So if you do a vertical line over here, it passes. However, if you do a vertical line on the vertical line test, this touches it everywhere. Touches the function way more than one time. So no, actually, it touches the, it's not a function. It touches the line, what does call it? Touches the line way more than one time, so no. And then quickly through D, E, and F, if you do this vertical line, that's cool, it touches one point. However, if you do a vertical line here or here, it fails. So no, not a function. Here, it'll hit the top and the bottom. So no, not a function. And F, it'll pass here, but then it will fail here, and that's it. So since it fails in one spot, the answer is no, not a function. Because basically this would be the point, let's see, you've got -2, 3, and -2, 2. That's what those are there. So you have your x repeating here, so that will not be a function.